What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Apparently the Nike outlet deals have gotten way better. Let's go check out what's again. I've been keeping track of this Nike outlet pretty closely. They had the University Blue 5s last week. All right, let's go see what they got for 30% off. Just 30% off select items, 30% off the wall as well. Remember, they got refurbished stuff. Let's go. Was hoping to find some dope stuff. It is later in the day though, man. And I know the resales be hitting this place up just like Nike Outlet East LA. Starting with the 10 halves, $85 for Air Force One mids. Oh, down to a really good price actually, especially with 30 off. God, I thought these were Nike by Use. Apparently not. $110 for those bad boys. Color blocking pretty nice on those. Package is 37s, going for $60. Turbo Next Nature's going for $85. Forgot to tell you, I'm starting in the size 10, 10 and a half. Just kind of roaming around the Surtus. Kind of remind me of the Element Reacts. Going for $110. Finally found a refurbished. Man, had to go to the smaller size. $80. Size 9.5. Does say gently worn. Air Force One, the weak colorway, $140, 9.5. Luca bright colorway, go for $110. Size 9 Infinity React Pros, go for $72. Air Max 97s, go for $100. 8.5 Blazer mid 77s with that crack leather, go for $80. Got pennies. Got some pennies, $170. These are 9.5. These are pretty dope. I don't like the way they fit though. Big heel to toe drop, so you feel like you're on your tippy toes and you're leaning forwards. But it is 30% off. Got Monarchs, going for $38, size 8. This slightly imperfect. Got some size 4. I was just about to say, hey, there's really not much. There isn't much. But I do got some size 4s. Size 4, that's the only size they got of the handcrafted. Size 5.5 women, size 4 men's. To be able to get 30% off, if that does fit your kiddo, that is fire. Some Jordan 1 low blanks right there. Size 7, they do have some Terminators. Kind of look like Dunks, but more OG looking. More Monarchs going for $38, slightly imperfect. Bigger sizes, Air Max Dons, gently worn, going for $58. Kyrie Lows, going for retail, I guess. Then we got some the mids right here, Blazer mids with that crack leather. That looks really weird right there, $80. Got some Nike Dunk by You highs. That's kind of crazy. It'd be a Nike High Dunk by You. Or Nike Dunk High Dunk by You. Not too bad. Not too bad. Leather is like hella nice. I just don't know why you would do suede up front and then buck on the back. Just if it was all same material, maybe a little nicer. Okay. It's here, $155, size 12. Got some LeBrons down here, size 11. These are the next gens, go for $160, right? $160, you get that extra 30% off. Got some women's size 11s right here in the men's section. $125. Man, if you're 9.5 to be able to get these, not bad. It is a mid though. That's your thing. More LeBrons, 11.5. 2 bills, 20 off. Remember these? The Pestos, $90. $90. The Hello Kitty. This is a size 10. I don't think these come in half sizes. Size 10 Hello Kitties. I love the colorway, but I can't be wearing Hello Kitty stuff, man. That's not my thing. $90. $90. Remember, fools were paying resale for this. First few weeks it came out, which is nuts. Size 14s. $55 for these refurbished, or gently worn, my bad. Gently worn Jordan System 23s. Vaporfly Flyknits. Vaporfly Next Percent, my bad. Vaporfly Next Percent, $125. Holy cow, that is gently worn. OGs right here. This is the stuff I'm talking about, man. The Nike refurbished stuff. $45 for those. And Metcon 7s, $65, size 13. Then I think I missed this one, the Infinity Run, Invincible Run Finest, my bad. These are $90, size 12 and a half. Let's go check a look at the aisles. All right, I did come here a week ago, not really seeing much difference. Pegasus 37s, a bunch of Pegasus, but nothing really too different, to be really honest. Oh, I do need to check the apparel section. I'm not really seeing too much in the aisles, so I'm gonna check the apparel section. They did have Ohio State shirts here a while back. They got the Georgia Bulldogs one. These are larges right here, long sleeves. And these bad boys are down to 19 bucks. So they have the Ohio State ones. I can get, yep. That's what I'm talking about. They're down to 22. They were 15 at that other spot. So let me see what they're going for. I'll grab a 3-pack for some for the nephews. Oh, this is a small. All right, let me get 3 of these or 2 of these because I already have one. See how much they go for. The other spot, man, they went down to $11, I think. So I don't know. We'll see if they come out the same amount. Is that a Lakers jersey I see? That is an AD jersey, down to $80. You do get an extra 30% off. And that is a large, so that's a pretty decent size. Got hoodie right here, double XL, go for 70 down to 70. So no discount whatsoever. 65 for these. Like, what the hell? Like, what's up with the discounts or lack thereof, man? Another AD jersey, going for 80 bucks. Howard jersey down to 55, from 55. Not really seeing crazy discounts. Yeah, this is regular bucks. A Realtree t-shirt, 50 bucks. Jordan extra fluffy hoodie XL, 100 bucks down to 100. Yeah, the discounts here are kind of whatever. 85 down to, or 87.50 down to 87.50. Not really seeing no discounts, man. What the hell? How come they hooking up East LA with all the deals? They ain't giving nothing here. Why does East LA get more stuff? I don't like going there because they be tripping on me filming. But why are they getting way more stuff than here? Oh, USA shirt. Ooh, I've been looking for these. How much are these? Oh, is this just a one of? It's a large. Yeah, it's a large. And how much is it? It's a large. Oh, here's the price. Let's see. 15 bucks. Dang it. Damn, that's the only one they have is a large. I've been looking for these on the medium. God dang it. They got another one of these. What's up here? $20 for just a Nike box t-shirt. And also for the USA ones. Got these hoodies. $55, 120 down to 55. Damn, the torrent outlet got way better deals right now. What's up with that? Yeah, 55 for these as well. Still do got these bad boys here. Don't have any. I showed these to y'all. I don't know. Someone hit me up for a size 10.5. I'm like, I showed they have them here. Why don't you come here? It's like close in Orange County, anyways. They still got these here. These are fire, dude. The Zion 2s go for 85 bucks. Oh, the sizing was really weird. They have a size 12 and then a bunch of 8.5s. Yeah, that's it. That was weird. But yeah, I got these, and then got this mid right here. Checking out the women's section. Not seeing too many refurbished items here either. Do got some Vaporfly Next Percent, slightly imperfect, $125 if you're running. Not bad. Invincible Run Flyknits, going for 90, slightly imperfect. Cosmetically flawed, down to 58, size 9. Gently worn, and Alpha Fly Next Percent. Their premier running shoes, the first generation. They did come out the second gen. 135. These are normally $220. $275, it's not bad. Then Dunks, maybe the cheapest we've seen, those $63. Holy cow. All right, women's section, not looking too interesting. They got the Infinity Run Flyknit 2s right here. Got a few of those, but that's pretty much about it. All right, let's pay for this, and then I'm gonna have to go somewhere else because there's just not enough stuff here to show you. I need at least 10-15 minute video at least. All right, let's go pay for these. I'm in line right now. My man right there, he found a size 17 of the reimagined 3s, the white cement 3s. He got huge feet too. Okay, dang dude, that's the find of the day right there. It did come out to $11 each. Look, he just returned those over there. So did return a pair. That is dope. Size 17 though, man. Size 17. Fire.